As Brian will tell you, yesterday I built this new meter boat. Well, I finished it actually. It's only taken 16 years. So yesterday, it's the first time it's ever been on the water. So Brian will tell you. How many tens did I score, Brian?
3.
Thank you.
So what scale is this?
1/350th.
Is it?
How much did he pay to
Brilliant.
say that, Brian? How much wine did he have to give you to say that? What you lie for the fun of it?
But the Ricard.
He's got a flyer. I think if you go past that, yeah, that sound was mysteriously disappeared there, wasn't it? You hear that one sound as a new Kronprinz.
So can I ask what model it is? My scale ship recognition isn't that great.
It's the Kronprinz.
Sorry, the
it's a Kronprinz. It's a
Crown
German.
Prince.
Yeah. What was the name of it? ACM kit. It's an ACM kit.
ACM kit.
Yeah. 1/350th scale.
How many parts in the kit?
Oh, probably about 400 or so.
400?
But I've not got them all on because it's a working model. You know, you have to be a wee bit careful. If you put too much detail, it just gets broken. You know, so.
Oh, okay.
So there's probably a full fret and a half of parts that I didn't fit.
Well, it's detailed enough with what you've put on it.
Yeah, yeah. Can you bring her around here?